Hello everyone, welcome to Sgt-Maj Smoke. My channel is about barbecue, food, cooking, and of course, eating. I'm not a professional, just a regular guy with a passion for food and cooking. For those that are new to my channel, if you enjoy the content, please like and subscribe, and make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified every time I drop a new video. As for those returning, thank you, and it's good to see you back again. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, as I will read and respond to them all. And now, for today's episode. Welcome back, everyone. For today's episode, we're making Dr. Pepper pork ribs on an offset smoker. Hopefully you enjoy. Hello and welcome back. So today we're going to do, tomorrow we're going to do, I'm just going to marinate them tonight, pork baby back ribs. And they're 2.124 kilograms, or about 4.7 pounds. Again, it doesn't really matter. So I'll open this up. They came from Costco. Of course, they're kind of messy. That's okay. So I'm not going to take the membrane off. I'm just going to score it. Go both directions. In between the bones. Nothing too fancy. Some brown sugar, gold sugar, whatever sugar. This is also the first time I've tried it this way. I like to try different things. Rub it in. These should be really sweet when they're done, or they'll be really not good. We'll find out tomorrow. Just rub it in. No real measurements per se, just get it covered ish. Yeah, I'm just going to soak it in Dr. Pepper. I saw it online, thought it'd be a good idea. Turn it over, the meat sides down. I'll let this soak overnight, and we'll throw it on the smoker tomorrow. Here they are the next morning. They smell delicious. I think that Dr. Pepper is going to give a fantastic flavor with the brown sugar. And I can't wait to get them on the offset smoker and get those bad boys into me. You can see I also have a new thermometer, multi-pro. We'll talk about it more later on, but I just wanted to show you another picture of it before we start to cook. So I got my setup here. Light my cube. Again, briquettes in my chimney, lump charcoal in my smoke box, and I got wood down below. You notice I have a different thermometer. I bit the bullet and I bought hopefully a better one. This can do 6 simultaneous temperatures, and it's linked to my phone. So we'll see, and I'm going to actually try to have 2 different temperature ranges, front and rear. I'll probably only do this once, and that's why I'm explaining it now. That'll show me the variations in heat, and it gives me a better idea how accurate, or probably more likely inaccurate, the actual barbecue thermometer is. And then I'll have one in the ribs. So we'll come back in about 20 minutes or so. You know, maybe a little more, maybe a little less. And you know the drill. But I wanted to explain this. I'll put the name in up above somewhere because I can't remember it. It came from Amazon anyway. It wasn't cheap, so I'm hoping it's good. And we'll be back. I just wanted to get some footage of the flame. I love watching it. It's part of the essence of cooking outdoors. I find it very relaxing. almost therapeutic. Knowing that that flame is going to cook your meat up, your meal. Hopefully enjoy it as well. Okay, welcome back. Turtle's doing pretty good so far. I'd say it's good enough. Yeah, try not to burn yourself, because, well, who wants to burn himself? Get her in there. Not windy today. That's pretty good. A rarity. Set this guy aside, let it cool. One stick on. Soon that catches up, I'm going to close it up, let it build up heat. Then I'll get those ribs on. I have 2 racks. I'm not sure how long it's going to take. Anywhere I'm going to estimate from 3 to 6 hours. Probably close to the 3-hour mark, but you never know. Especially if it gets windy, which you also never know around here. And I'll also, again, keep track of the temperatures with a probe, because I'm curious on what comes up. And if you hear noise in the background, that's my other barbecue, because I'm also making breakfast. Because I love the barbecue, because I'm Sgt-Maj Smoke. I just want to show you the difference here. Probe number 1 is towards the firebox. Number 3 will be in the meat, not yet. Number 4 is towards the right hand side of the barbecue. Look at the difference. 20 degrees, pretty much. That's quite the difference. Just take note of that. And this is still, I'm waiting for my wood to catch still. But just wanted to share that with you. So here we are. It's giving me 225. Probe number 1, saying 350, way too hot. Probe number 4 over here, 266, and I want to be around the 250 mark. And obviously the probe's not plugged in, still 41 degrees. Look at my fire. Oh, it's coming. Nice little heat. I won't add any for a while, but I want to get those ribs on. So that's what we're going to do next. Again, these ribs have been sitting overnight. Oh. It's going to be a good feed. Sweet Dr. Pepper and brown sugar. I'm going to make a gong show of this probably. Put this aside. Take my rum probe. Put it in the farthest rib. $243. The ribs 39. I said 84 to rear. I can open it up. So let it go for a bit. We'll take it from there. Okay. So we're going to start making the barbecue sauce. Once we bring it up to around 175, 180 degrees Fahrenheit, then I want to wrap it. I'm going to put a barbecue sauce, butter, and brown sugar. So we're going to start our Dr. Peppery barbecue sauce. A good scoop of brown sugar. And this is Heinz Texas Barbecue. Isn't that a pleasant sound? And of course some Dr. Pepper. Sometimes I boil my barbecue sauce, sometimes I don't. It all depends. Probably add a bit more brown sugar to this. Put it in the fridge. Let's solidify a bit, stiffen up. Smells delicious. Just one variant of a barbecue sauce. Sometimes I make it from scratch, sometimes I don't. Whatever on the go. All good. Good. We're not really saucy yet, but I just wanted to show you how I do it and get it in the fridge. Okay, let's have a look. See, it's been on about an hour. Ooh, coming nicely. Coming nicely. All I'm going to do is just rotate them around. I'm back. Another hour. Still good heat. It's showing me, again, cold on this side. Number one, 220 degrees. I'm going to put another piece of small wood on, bring the heat up a little bit, and then let it slowly cool back down again. Good stuff. Occasional. So we'll be back. We're not where we need to be yet, but let's make a progress. So here we are. Been a couple hours. Look at the thermometer. So again, number 4 is the one on the right, the one on the left. We're at 136. So technically it's almost ready, but I want to bring it to, like I said, 175, 180, around there. Anything over 170 before I bring it inside to wrap it. Let's have a quick look. If you could smell them, my God, delicious. Yes, I know if it's open, we're not cooking, but that's okay. I just wanted to show you. It's also educational. So we'll be back. We're not where we need to be yet, but let's make a progress. Yes, I added some more wood and some more charcoal as well. Okay, so we're on showing us 181. They look delicious. I'll get some close-ups here in a minute as well. They're cooked, so it's not a matter of it's not being safe to eat. Oh yeah. And a bit of wiggle room. That's what I want. Looks delicious. We'll go inside. I'll show you what I'm going to do next. Close this up. Keep the heat in. Okay, so here we are. Just brought the ribs inside. They smell delicious. Again, they are cooked. Well, that's what I want. So they're safe to eat now if you wanted to. I want to bring it to the next level. Make it more tender, more flavorful, more juicy. So, again, start with my fantastic brown golden sugar, whatever, sugar. I'm gonna try the kid. I got lots, don't worry about it. Spread that out. Lay some butter down. Look at that. Look at that. I'll get in there. I want some more brown sugar on top as well. Doesn't really matter how much. More butter. This is either going to be a complete liquidy mess. A little bit of that barbecue sauce I made, just for now. Or it's going to be absolutely delicious. And I'm leaning towards the delicious side. Kind of tent it a bit. I will double and triple wrap it. Put in that Dr. Pepper, sugar, barbecue sauce mixture. Again, I'll wrap this several times, get it back in the barbecue. Get them in the... Okay, now we're back outside. Thermometer showing 225. It's telling me 390, 275. I'm not worried about the meat temperature now. I'm just doing this an experiment to measure. Where's the grill at? Oh Jesus. Oh, ooey gooey goodness. These will stay on about an hour ish. Again, they're safe to eat. I just want to be tender, juicy, hopefully fall off the bone. We'll see. I could probe it, but I don't want to make a mess and poke a hole. And I could eat it right now. Have a look. I think we have victory. I'll let these rest for 15, 20 minutes, maybe half an hour. Don't come up. So here we are. It's going to be one big ball of liquid. Oh. Look at that. Yeah, I keep saying look at that, but you can't see it with the foil. Fuck it. Beautiful. Beautiful tender. Beautiful color. Have a bite. Oh yeah. Perfect. Here we are. They're all cut up. They are absolutely delicious. So juicy. Well, I'm just marinating the juice till supper time. Sgt-Maj Smoke out. This concludes today's episode 015. Dr. Pepper pork ribs cooked on my offset smoker. They're really good. Hopefully you'll try it. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. And hit that notification bell to get notified every time I drop a new video. Again, any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to put them down below. Until next time, Sgt-Maj Smoke, out.